These AI tokens will absolutely explode in 2024. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to ALTCOIN Chief, where we talk about crypto and blockchain. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss this bull run's top gems. Today's focus will be on tokens in the AI sector in crypto, which haven't been talked about that much just yet. As you can see, if we move on to the categories section on CoinGecko, you can see the AI tokens have their own native section. And leading in that section is BitTensor, also Render we've covered on Twitter. If you haven't followed me there, you should. We've covered it plenty of times. You also have things like Fetch AI, Singularity Net, etc. But market caps of these tokens are already quite high. This doesn't mean they won't grow, because in my opinion, these will grow exponentially in this bull run. Because AI is going to be a leading trend, in my opinion, because it translates over to the real world as well. The real world has its own AI hype, its own AI bubble is currently forming in the regular sector. So that will translate into crypto. And if you've been following us, you would know that things like PAL AI, which currently sits at around 400 million market cap, we've covered this plenty of times at around 10 cents. So 6x lower than it is today. So that's quite interesting. So today I'm going to show you a couple of projects that I'm watching very closely and ones that I think will be worth noting, and I think they will be talked about by many people in this space in the next few months. To start off, I want to show you a project which currently sits at around 41 million market cap, and this is GT Protocol. GTAI is the ticker. It currently sits at around 800th place on CoinGecko, and since its launch, it didn't have a viral face melting pump. It does have stairways accumulation, however. So very nice launch from GT Protocol. They have launched via our friends at Chain GPT, which is also an interesting AI project, which I'm going to cover later. But the GT Protocol, Web3 AI execution protocol, AI layer for Web3 with a goal of onboarding 100 million users, powered by the GTAI token. So this is one of our tokens that we have, which I think will do well. The support, which is very interesting, by renowned VCs, also Binance Broker. You have Chain GPT that we spoke about. You have DAO Maker, which is also one of the leading launchpads, and other venture capitals as well are supporting. It's available on a wide variety of exchanges, so it's very accessible, and it kind of slots into this narrative for the masses. It provides people with access to various Web3 protocols, various Web3 dApps. Also AI NFT management is there. So it kind of ticks the boxes that, you know, the regular people who are joining the crypto space would be interested in very heavily. Their marketing is very good. We've seen the way they present all the information, all the communication is done in a very, very professional fashion. So I'm bullish on GT Protocol going forward. And I think this is one of those tokens that will be talked about more and more as time goes on. So this is one of our picks when it comes to AI tokens for this year and also the beginning of next year. Another project in the AI sector, which is, in my opinion, interesting to note, is Edge Matrix Computing. Edge Matrix Computing, similar to GT Protocol, has been in this kind of accumulation phase, you can call it, for the past few months. No real face melting pumps just yet, and the market cap currently sits at around 35 million market cap. When it comes to markets that do have EMC, which is the ticker of Edge Matrix Computing, are DEXs. So it's pretty early when it comes to getting involved in EMC, but I think that could separate these guys from others as well. Once people get hooked up into an AI token, we've seen this time and time again. These tokens do real numbers, and once that hype comes in, that's when sex listings, etc. do come into play. So Edge Matrix Computing is a bit of a technical project. The leading AI DeepIn bridging computing power and AI dApps powered by Arbitrum. So they do kind of slot into the AI Arbitrum narrative. I do think Arbitrum in itself is going to have a good run, and tokens built on Arbitrum will benefit from that. So the business cycle that Edge Matrix Computing kind of developed is kind of leasing the computation power. It's, as I said, it's a technical project that targets a totally different community. This will be one of those projects which attracts people like miners or people that do have hardcore gaming setups, etc., who want to lease their power and earn that way, but also speculators, because when it comes to those technical projects, you often see a lot of speculation come into place here, because all the updates, and once the public gets in, most of these guys don't even understand these projects. Most people don't understand what these projects do, but they do see big words, they big numbers, etc., and they kind of flock in and pump those projects. It is a bit of an unusual thing to say, but it is true. Once the masses do come in, projects which are technical do get a piece of the pie as well. So EMC is a leading AI DeepIn in AI plus Web3, bridging the computing power network and AI dApps. EMC has jointly issued the world's first GPU real-world asset. Big word there. Another trend, which is real-world assets. These guys do slot into that as well. And they do get involved in hackathons, various panels, AMAs, etc. And the word is kind of starting to spread about EMC lately. So I do think these guys are going to increase in popularity. When it comes to price, obviously, this is not financial advice. Everything that I say on this channel is just the things that I'm doing with my money. So another pretty interesting project, which I do hold, and I would continue to hold EMC going forward, because I do think it will gain attention as time goes on. And last but not least, I want to mention a project with the lowest market cap today, and that is Layer AI. LAI token is a layer 2 blockchain that powers the AI economy. So when it comes to Layer AI and its price, as you can see, it is increasing as we speak, but the market cap of just around $15 million really puts things into perspective, because $15 million when it comes to AI and these trends, as we spoke earlier, this is nothing. 15 million can turn into 150, 250, 300 very quickly if popularity grows and if support grows as well. So the dedicated blockchain network for data monetization within AI models, as featured in big names, big support, and also various VCs and various companies do partner with Layer AI. And the community of Layer AI is growing by the day. These guys have created a very vibrant community, and I think that will work in their favor, especially as this whole trend develops and it grows every day. I think Layer AI is going to continue to develop, and it's going to continue to bring out products that do catch attention. They do have VPN, they have an NFT marketplace. As we said, they are layer 2. So many things go in favor of Layer AI, and the way they market as well is interesting. Internet of AI. These things do matter. These things, the way you market, the way you present, especially in this time, once the masses come in, these guys do expect strong marketing. They do expect these projects to really be in their face with marketing slogans, etc. So this is something that I do look at very heavily, because at the end of the day, the biggest gain in adoption, biggest gain in holders and people who are going to buy these tokens is going to come in from the regular people joining the space in the next few months. So really catering towards those people is very, very key for your project to grow. Therefore, I think Layer AI has a bright future. And I do hold Layer AI, and I will continue holding Layer AI. So these three tokens that we've mentioned today, I do think popularity is growing for them, and I think it will continue to grow. And once that continues to grow, price often follows. So let me know what you think about those projects in the comment section below, and also let me know if I've missed any interesting AI plays that I should be looking at in the next weeks. This is it for today, and I will see you in the next one.